everybody, Thor and Sasha here. We're out for a little spin today. We're going to test out our Aftermarket Assassins setup that we installed on the Kawasaki Ridge XR Crew. Now this setup is a stage 1 flash with the programmer. It is the 4+4+2+2 setting on the weights. We have your spring, which comes with the kit. And we're running a stock pipe. We're currently at 78 decibels. 79 now, which is very respectable. Doing 30 miles an hour, climbing a hill at 5,200 RPMs. It's pretty good. So we're gonna do some driving here on this beautiful cloudy day here in Prescott, Arizona, and we'll see what we think about it. Sit back, relax, enjoy some footage, and I'll give you my feedback at the end of this video.
Tell it again. Oh, I ain't got time to lose, and I'll be what I am. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running, and I keep it running clean. I keep my cool when things get hot, but I'm a son of a gun. Oh, you know when times get rough, and baby, I'm the one. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine.
Well, I must say, I'm really enjoying this setup here. It's doing a great job. Lower RPMs, lower decibel readings between 75 to 81. I have much more acceleration than I did stock going up hills. I love how quiet it is. It performs very well. It's not a very hard modification to do. I mean, you just install a programmer, flash it to stage 1. Again, this is the cruiser setting, 4+4+2+2, which I found is the best setting for my unit with my heavier wheels and tires, with that tent and rack on the back. I have 2 fuel cans, one on each side, and I have a bunch of gear in there for tools, safety gear, water, a bunch of stuff. So if you're looking for a kit that's not hard to install, that gives your Ridge more pep, more power, makes it much more enjoyable, take a look at this kit here. Now again, I do love the exhaust pipe, the slip-on that they offer. It is noisier. I love the sound, but Sasha there, she doesn't. She likes it quiet. So I'm going to stick with this for a little while longer, do some more driving this weekend, and see how much more I like it. So any questions, you can give me a call anytime during office hours at 815-321-3888. Or send me an email to the atvsuperstore@gmail.com. This is Thor and Sasha. We'll see you later. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one.